let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. Friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. No, I said it before, I don't mean it.
Let's go.
I had your attention.
We about to get started.
My heart to hit it.
Yeah.
Dreams we had don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. We back here with one more operating live analysis, pocket option, live analysis, and yesterday's video. What happened yesterday was that the audio was never on for whatever reason. So you guys, the video yesterday, you couldn't hear me talking, which is all good because I'm not going to remove the video from yesterday. I'm gonna leave it there because there's 3 operations on there, and all 3 of them are a loss. So we started off on the wrong foot, and we lost 5% of our capital, which was 5,000, which is totally fine because for a lot of people, you start off like that, like when you start off with losing 5%, you're like, oh, this is not for me, I don't want to do it anymore. But I want to make sure that I prove to you guys that it is possible, even if you started off wrong. So we're just going to assume that that was a bad cycle. That's it. I mentioned the delay that I have switching between screens. However, on the weekends, I want to make sure that I do a recap of all the trades or specific trades that we took during the week and why it went good and why it went bad. And yesterday, as soon as I took the trades, I already knew why. At least for the first 2, I already knew why it went bad. And the reason why it went bad is because when I did the analysis, my intention was to do buys, but I wanted to trade so bad and I wanted to make it happen so bad because it was like I had the studio set up, I had everything set up the way I wanted to, and I said, okay, finally, now I'm going to be able to do a nice video. Because the first one, it was just everywhere. I had the camera turned and it was just horrible, so I decided to fix it and do it real nice. However, the audio didn't come out, so I had a problem in the first video, had a problem in the second video. So this is our 3rd video, part 3. So hopefully it comes out nice, it comes out good, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna keep trying until we get until we get it the right way. Okay. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about was my intention to for the first two trade or for my intention yesterday throughout the whole uh, throughout the whole operational throughout the whole analysis was to make buys. And the first two trades I did a sell and I lost. We can go into details why those trades didn't work out the way I wanted to, but my initial analysis on why I lost is because I went against the trend. It was an uptrend, and I sold. And like I said, you want to ride the wave, you want to go with the trend, but I don't do that every time. However, yesterday it was a really strong trend, if I'm not mistaken, and it was just it just didn't work out. So, but it's all good. I could very well delete the video from yesterday and do a new video today and say, hey, yeah, we're just starting, and go back to 5,000 and say, hey, we're starting with 5,000, and start a brand new two video and say, oh, the audio didn't work, it wasn't good. No, but I'm going to leave it there. If you guys go on there and see, I'm going to try to, if I can put in the description exactly where I take those three trades so you can see why it was a loss. So we started out with 5,000, we lost 5%, so now we're down to 4,750, and I'm going to keep it at that, and we're going to keep it going. Okay, so the first video, I had a trade that I was supposed to take. I made a mistake, didn't take it. That's all good. I still had, on the first video, I still had the account on 29,000. Yesterday, for the part 2 video, I brought the account down to 5,000 because it's more of a realistic number. And I should take it down to like 500 to like 1,000 or something. But however, when you doing this, you're not really focusing on the amount on the account. What you're focusing on the percentage. Okay, so even if I have 5,000 on there, don't worry about it. All you got to do is to make sure that you can start with $100 if you want. Okay. What you got to think is the more money you put in, the more money you are capable of making, also losing. But the idea on this channel is to make money. So, and all you have to do is to divide it the right way. I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to talk about risk management, which we were supposed to do it, which we did yesterday. However, you guys are not going to be able to hear me. So, you are. If you're not going to be able to hear me, you're not going to understand what was going on. So I'm going to show you guys how the risk management is done. Let me just switch this around. Okay, perfect, much better. All right, so if we go to our pocket option, okay. You guys can see that I have 45,750. Okay, and the way I do it was, I took the 5,000 that I had. Okay, I had 5,000, and okay, and I calculated what's see here. Yeah, so first I calculated what my daily goal is. So my daily goal is 5%. So 5% of 5,000, okay, is 250, and my stop loss is half of that. So no, sorry. Yeah, so my stop loss is half of that. Okay, so if my TP, which is take profits, my daily goal is 250. My stop loss is going to be 125. Okay, and now you're probably asking me, well, if our stop loss is 125, how come the account is down 5%? Good question. What happened was I got overconfident and I placed another trade. Okay, I placed another trade. So what I had said yesterday was our risk management. So our stop loss is 125. Our TP is 250. And our max amount of trades was four to five trades. Okay, depending on how it goes. Between 3 and 5, so I like to say our max amount of trades is 4. So whatever comes first. So if the TP comes first, if the stop loss comes first, or the 4 trades comes first, we stop. Okay. However, since for the first 2 trades went bad, I decided to take another one. Okay. Are we going to always do that? No, that's a mistake. But like I said, this is a channel where I want to expose how I trade, so I can keep these videos, so I can also keep these videos as journals, so I can learn for myself, and maybe I can rewatch them and see how I act. So that being said, let me put some music here on the background. Okay. And we can get started for real. Okay. Here we go. All right. Here we go. All right. So, on weekends, on the weekdays, I most likely won't be doing trading. However, I want to do recaps of how the week went. I'm not sure if we're going to have a recap video this weekend coming up right now, only because this is our 3rd video, and most likely it's going to be the only one you guys are going to be able to fully understand. Which is good, which is good. The first 2 videos was kind of like a tryout, kind of like, to like an experiment. So I'm not sure. And one of the things that I want to say that I said yesterday, and you guys weren't able to hear, one of the important things is that I am doing this because it's hard to find good content video about binary options. Okay, there's plenty of binary option videos content in Portuguese. I'm not so sure in Spanish. I haven't looked, but there's a good amount of them in Portuguese. And but in English there isn't a lot. Okay, there isn't a lot of video about binary options in English. And I'm not saying that there isn't. There's a whole bunch of them. And I'm not saying all of them are bad, but most of them is bad. And how do I say bad? When I say bad is most of the binary option videos in English is always talking about a strategy. Okay, it's always talking about a strategy. And most of the times when the people talk about strategies is they're depending on indicators. Okay, now there's nothing wrong with that. But when you depend on indicators, what happens is that you're always going to be a slave to indicators. So if you go onto the market and you want to take a trade and the indicators are not lining up, you're just going to have to sit there and watch the chart without taking any action because you're depending on the indicator. So the type of content that I'm bringing, which is something that I want to talk about, I use indicators. I do. Do I use it all the times? Not all the time. So when it comes to trading, the method that I use is price action. So I approach the binary option market with price action and market structure because I don't want to depend on an indicator to trade. Every time I want to trade, I want to depend on the indicator. Nah, I don't want to do that. I want to trade whenever I feel like trading. Like I want to go in the market I want to go in the market and take a trade, and if I want to go in the market and be able to take trades whenever I feel like it. Like if I want to go in the market right now, I go in the market and I take a trade. I don't depend on no indicator. I depend on myself, and that's it. Um, do I make mistakes? Yes, I make mistakes. But I'm not gonna come here and say, yeah, I got this strategy. It's 100%. You know, you're gonna get rich. It's not like that. It's not like that. You're not gonna get a strategy that is 100%. Um, One thing that you're gonna get from me in this channel is one of the things that I also said yesterday is that you're gonna get 100% the truth. I'm not gonna, like I told you, like I could very well delete the video from yesterday and reset at 5,000 to start on the right foot, but I'm gonna leave it there, and it is what it is. I'm gonna try to make this demo account um, a successful demo account. However, I'm gonna try to do it the proper way. You know, taking proper risk management, doing the proper operational with price action. We might trade with a strategy or whatever here and there, but we're not going to be using strategies on a daily basis. And I'm not just going to come here with one strategy. We're going to depend on price action, market structure, and candlestick patterns. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So that's one of the things that I wanted to say. I'm gonna try. I don't usually trade on Fridays. However, the market is gonna close soon, and since we did really bad yesterday, I'm gonna try to catch a trade today. So let me see here and how long the market is going to close. Okay, so the market is going to. Let's see here. Okay, so the market. So the market is going to close in a half hour. Okay, so we're going to try to. So, and this is one of the things, you know, there's a half hour left. I'm not saying that I'm going to come here with a half hour left and force a trade. And you shouldn't either. But let's say you want to catch a trade. Okay, you haven't traded all day and you want to catch one trade. And you're going to come on here with 30 minutes left and depend on the indicator. We're not doing that. We're going to be our own indicators. We're going to indicate to ourselves what we want to do. All right, it's very good. So, another thing, guys, don't take what I say for granted. Don't believe everything I say. Do your own research. Disclaimer: my videos is for educational purposes only. Okay. So, but you know, as we go along, you guys are going to start seeing that the account is going to be successful. So if you guys want to hop on when I do the live analysis and you guys want to catch my signal, you are more than welcome. One of the things too that I wanted to say is that I'm looking to interact with you guys. The reason why I created the channel is so I can create a community of binary option traders, make friends, and network. So I can even have, you know, some of you guys that are going to eventually get to know the channel. I wanna trade with you guys live, you know, wherever you're from. Put down below, write down in the comments where you're trading from, okay? And I can possibly have you on the live analysis with me too. I know my friend from Ecuador is gonna want to trade with us as well. So I'm gonna have different people on the lives with me, trading with me. I'm gonna share my email later on and my Instagram page later on, so you guys can follow me on there. Send me messages. We'll send messages back and forth. All right, so we got half hour left. Let's get this started, and then maybe I can talk some more about what went on yesterday. So, okay, so let's do the analysis. Another problem that I'm having is that my computer is very slow for some reason. So I'm gonna try to fix that so we can, get things on and popping faster than this, because it's really taken a very long time to load pages, and that's just gonna make the video longer. And for example, today we only have a half hour until the market close, so I don't even think it's a good idea to trade. 30 minutes before the market goes, I think we should be all out and all on our way right now. However, I'm been excited all day to come back here and make this video, so I'm here now. And also, some of you guys are like, well, why are you so worried that the market is going to close? Because I don't trade OTC. Now, I do have a strategy for OTC. However, I personally don't trade OTC. Comment down below if you trade OTC, okay? I want to know. And what type of strategy you use to trade OTC. I'm also taking any comments, suggestions, and opinions for the channel. It's a brand new channel. It's going to be focused to binary. It's going to be focused in trading in general, but most the bigger part of it is going to be focused on binary options. Okay. So let's just try to catch one trade today. Okay. Oh my God! I was supposed to talk about risk management, right? Risk management. So our TP is 5% a day. Our is half of that, which is 125, and max of 4 trades. Okay. So usually, so then depending on how much I have on my account, I'll do the same thing the next day. Okay. And so right now, I know that on podcasts, we have. And we have, how much we got? This is gonna take a while. So 4,750. 4,750. So 5% of 4,750 is 237.50. 237.50. So that's our TP. Okay, and our stop loss is 118. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 118 and divide it 2. Which is 59.37. So I'm gonna roll to 60. So our first entrance is gonna be $6. And if you guys don't understand what's going on right now, so basically, my first entrance is all my stop loss. Okay, and we're looking for pairs that are paying over 80%. Okay, right now podcast is paying lower than 7%. However, like I told you, I want to catch one trade. I want to win. But starting next week, we're gonna do everything correct. I just want, but starting on Monday, we're gonna take everything correctly. If pocket option is paying a good amount, if pocket option doesn't have a good payout, we're not gonna go into it. We're not gonna rush into trades. We're not going to the market half hour before it closes. We're gonna do every single thing following na ponta da caneta, tio. Pode crer? Oh, that's one of the things I wanted to say too. Se você é brasileiro, se inscreve no canal, pô. Eu também falo português. E se você fala espanhol, de donde sea, de México, Puerto Rico, España, Argentina, Perú, Colombia, Ecuador, por favor, ven participar con nosotros también, porque yo hablo español. And we're gonna get this popping all in. You heard? Baby. Okay, our first entrance is gonna be $60. Okay, our first and only entrance is gonna be $6. Okay. With the scenario that we have right now. Okay, with the scenario that we have right now. Our analysis. I go through the whole analysis on the first video, and on the second today though. Like I told you, we don't have much time. I'm not gonna do it today, but Monday, for sure, I'll do it. And talk about the analysis is like how I start fish before I place trade, what I do from when I open up the computer all to right before I place trade, and what I do after. So what I'm now is analyze the pairs, the market, the news, all the way up to before I place a trade. Alright? So here we go. So I'm gonna try to explain what I'm doing as I go. Right now I'm just looking for volatility on the market. Okay. Okay, so right now it's about to be 5 o'clock. Okay, so euro is gonna be very. Euro is gonna have a little bit of volatility. All right. Okay. Let's check it out. And sure, like well, not make sure, but when I do this, I keep notes of what's going on, so we can understand. And I apologize for this my peers, but all of this is going to be sorted out. I really want to do this. I feel it in my heart that's be good for other people doesn't even trading. And if you're just into trade, come across my video and you're doing binary option, even better. I'm going to have a lot of information on binary option trading. You know what to buy. I don't have any courses. Everything on my channel is going to be for free, obviously. But I'm willing to help everybody that wants to start on the binary option market. I have a lot of valuable information that is going to help you along the way trading journey. Okay, so. Alright, so. I don't know if we're going to be able to catch any trades, man. Alright, so we are good to trade. We're gonna try and stay out of the Euro and USD, okay? But we're gonna see how the graphic is looking like. All right. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna catch. We're gonna see the strong. Who's strong out here? GBP. Odd. And that's about it. And I'll have here USD on the side, but we're not really looking for USD right now. And who's weak? JPY. NZD. And that's it. So essentially we want to trade these pairs. The strong pairs. Essentially we want to trade these pairs. The strong pairs versus the weak pairs. However, it doesn't always work like that. So we're going to take a look at the graphic and see how that goes. And also the payout. So now we go into pocket option and we see who's paying what. So we got all JPY. Look at that. Beautiful. So we can work with that. Oh no, that's OTC. Never mind. So these are the pairs that are paying the highest. Oh no, all JPY. Look at that. COD. COD JPY. Nope. No, basically a lot of pairs paying 70%. And that's as high as it goes. Why not trade these pairs over here? Because I told you guys I don't trade OTC. So we got GBP versus odd. Yeah, we got GBP versus odd. Okay, so they're all favored over there. And now we're gonna filter them out as we go. So COD versus JPY. Nope, because we don't know. I don't know what's going on with COD. I didn't have it now. COD versus Chef. Nope. Odd versus JPY. Yes. So what do we want to do here? Buys. Why? Because odd is strong. JPY is weak. Chef versus JPY. For now, no. GBP versus JPY. Yes, because GBP is stronger than JPY. GBP versus odd. For right now, nope. Euro versus JPY. Nope. Euro versus nope. Euro versus nope. Alright, we're gonna work with two pairs, okay? And we're gonna try to catch buys. Okay? We're gonna try to catch buys on both of these pairs. And let me see which graphic looks better. They're probably gonna look similar because they're not too strong. Yeah. All right. So I like the odd JPY graphic better, and you're gonna say why? Well, I like this graphic better because I'll tell you. When it goes back, there we go. Because look at the size of those candles, okay? We got some whistle. We got those, and the graphic is small. You know, it has our tops and bottoms, okay? So I like that. Let these pages. It'll go a little bit faster. Okay, so Now we're gonna go on trading view. Oh. Now we're gonna go on trading view and boom. Now we're gonna go on trading view and we're going to look for the pair that we are working with, which is odd versus JPY. Okay. Comment down below if you do your analysis on pocket option. I don't. Why? Because I don't think anybody does. Why would you do your analysis on pocket option? They don't let you do anything. It's like the graphic is like, it's like this big. It's like this big. And when you go to trading view, it's like, boom. It's like, voila. So here we go. Odd versus JPY, and I like to use the Wanda the graphic. So odd versus JPY. By the way, all right. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guys like my background? This right here? Pretty cool, right? I love it. I love it, 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 love it. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Give me an entrance. Man, I really wish my computer was like this. One day it will be, though. But the thing is, my computer is fast, but when I'm doing the live streaming, forget about it. It's just gonna... It's just not... not cooperating at all. Look at this, man. Look at this. Why is this taking forever? I don't get it. This never happens. Also, comment down below what's the best software to stream that you guys think is the best one to stream. Oh, look at this graphic. Woo-hoo-hoo. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's get started. Come on, 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 come on. We're going against time here. So, well, but you're going against time and you're going to try to catch this trade? Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, look at that. Alright, so I'm not going to go through how I do my analysis because it's going to take a long time and it's probably going to take longer than what the time we have left. And I did the same analysis yesterday. However, again, I know it's getting tiring. You guys weren't able to hear anything. However, Monday I'll do the same analysis again. So I'm going to do the same analysis I did yesterday now. Only I'm not going to be speaking. I'm going to try to do it on a fast pace. However, on Monday I'll explain everything, okay? So just bear with me for a second. Bear with me for a second. Watch me work magic. Watch me work magic. Perfect. That's good enough. Oh, we're gonna run out of time. Which is all good. I love being here. I love doing this. You guys have no idea how much I love doing this. Bro. Okay. Good. Boom. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Perfect. Okay. Looks like it's beautiful to me. That's what it looks like. That's good. Okay. Going good, going good, going good.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Girl, you've been on my wish list. Way more than bad, you vicious. Pussy clean, delicious.
And now, guys, this, when you start to operate, you only have to do this one time, and it's, trust me, it's a lot faster. The only reason why I'm taking so long is because my computer is taking long. But you only have to do this one time, and then you can just trade on the go. I don't know if we're gonna be able to catch a trade. It looks like it's not gonna be possible, but it's all good. It's looking beautiful over here. Nice, good. There's nothing to adjust here. All right, so we're gonna catch a sell right over here. They see this area over here? There's an area here. Okay. We're gonna catch this sell. 2 minute sell. Two-minute sell on 2 minute sell on all JPY 460. And we are in. Woo! Beautiful. All right. We are in. Let's go. Woo! Beautiful. And I tell you guys why I took the trade. I'll just start explaining now. So, I'm glad we were able to catch that trade. We caught it with 5 minutes left, huh? Who would have thought? Who would have known? Alright, so I'm gonna explain why I took this trade on TradingView. So I'll just wait until it ends. This is not the ideal trade to take because it's only paying 70%. But like I told you guys, I wanted to catch a trade. I just wanted to catch a trade, man. And I was able to catch a trade. I'm gonna try to talk about a little bit about this trade here on Pocket Option. As you guys can see, the market is on a short-term downtrend, and I caught a sale. Now, when I go back on my TradingView chart, the trade is in now, and 5, 4, 3, 2, boom. Let's go. We won 1-0 for the day. This is the only trade I'm going to catch today. Like I told you, I wanted to catch one trade, and that was it. I'm not going to change any more trades today. Even though we could get over here, however, I had told myself that we're going to get one trade. So you got to control yourself. If we gone for that buy right there, it would have been awesome. However, one is enough. I'm also learning how to control myself, and you too. It was great. It's sometimes they're making you look at a trade and like, wow, I could have taken that trade, and they didn't. But it's all good. It's no problem. So, going. Here, going back to here. So I'm gonna use this little thing here so you guys can see where I'm pointing, because I don't think you can see my mouse. So let's see here. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna make this little arrow thing so you guys can see me. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I caught the trade right here. Okay, so now the last line that I drew on my chart was this one right here. Okay, now the market is on a downtrend. Okay, is on a short-term downtrend. It's coming down this way. Okay, and I also saw that the price respected this area. Okay, the price respected this area, not just one time but many times. Okay, even though I considered this area over here just one touch. Okay, the market respected it one time, but still. And then it came down, it broke that area, it came down to this resistance right here where I had this other line, and it went back. Now when it went back to retest this same area and then drop again. Okay, now I have some confluences that give me the okay to trade the market there. Okay, and it's going again, and most likely it's gonna fall. Like it's gonna hit there and it's gonna fall back down, because this is a short-term downtrend. So not only that, but you guys see this candle right here? There's a lot of pressure up here. So the market went all the way up here, and then the sellers was like, and then it came down. So there's a lot of pressure over here. This is a shooting star, if I'm not mistaken. Hanging man, something like that. It doesn't matter. I don't really know the names. Like I told you, I don't know some of the terms, but I know that this wick that this candle left here, there's a lot of pressure. Okay, now, so I have the market coming down on a short-term downtrend. I have the market breaking this area, going back to a retest, and then I have that candle. Now, not only that, okay, if I add my Bollinger Bands, which I did, I can see, okay, that the price comes out of my upper Bollinger Bands. And most of the time, on an area like this, with this many confluences, when the prices go out this Bollinger Band, it tends to go back in. Okay? Now, this entrance was read beautifully. Why? Because, first thing, price has respected it in the past. Second thing, it broke that area with long candles. Bounced back, and when it bounced back, it comes for a retest. It gave me that candle with a lot of pressure on top. It went out of the Bollinger Bands, Boom, I caught my entrance right there. Okay, and now here the price just melted all the way down here. Okay, I caught it for 2 minutes because let's say if you were to enter on this candle right here, okay, let's say you had entered somewhere, I don't know, over here or whatever, it'll give you enough time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, boom, it dropped. And even if you had entered on this candle, you still would have won it. Okay, now look over here, price went up there to that same level again, and guess what, if I had taken this right here, guess what, it respected and I would have had one again. Okay, but I didn't. It's okay, I just wanted to catch one trade anyways. Would I have caught this trade on my personal account? The only reason why I wouldn't have is because the payout is only 70%. Okay, and if the payout is 70%, then it's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. Look over there, is respecting again. So I wish you guys were able to see this on my pocket option account. Let me switch here. It's still, oh, there it is. So I don't have a a mouse on pocket option, but as you guys can see, same thing here. It respected before back here. Okay, it respected before over here. I'm gonna mark down where it respected so you guys can see. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can see, you guys, but it's still gonna mark. Okay, so it respected before, price respected. Come on. Why is this not working? There it is. There it is. There it is. Perfect. Bro, really? I gotta install this off this computer. Oh my god, oh no. Okay, I wasn't able to show it to you guys. Market went OTC. Basically, same thing that I was saying on my view, trading view. Okay. The price, I'm going to bring back to trade view. The graph had respected this price back here. Okay. Okay, graphic had respected this area back here. Broke that level, came to retest, and then dropped again. Awesome. I hope you guys were able to enjoy the video. I know I only did one interest and I talked a lot. It's the third video, but I hope you guys were able to enjoy the video. I hope you were able to learn anything. If you have any questions, please drop it down below. I'll be more than happy to reply to it. Have a great weekend. I will try to come and post a video during the weekend. However, I don't know yet, but I hope you guys were able to enjoy today's video. We're gonna have more coming up on Mondays. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do this in the morning, okay? Because this 70% payout is killing me. So I'm gonna try to get this video going in the morning, where pocket options payout are the best ones. So, anyways, enjoy your weekend and safe tradings. God bless you. Stay safe out there. I will see you guys later. Peace. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan.